Are you tired of cords tangling around your feet every time you clean? Imagine a powerful, lightweight handheld vacuum that can tackle dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Anywhere, anytime. Today we're reviewing three of the best cordless, handheld vacuum cleaners on Amazon that Americans love for quick, easy cleaning. Whether it's your home, car, or office, these portable vacuums make cleaning fast, powerful, and completely stress-free. Let's jump right in. Product 1, G-Tech Multi-Platinum Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. First up, the G-Tech Multi-Platinum, a premium cordless handheld vacuum built with lightweight aluminum and a 30-minute rechargeable battery. Perfect for daily cleaning, car interiors, or small spaces. Pros: strong suction, elegant aluminum body, easy to empty bin, and great battery life. Cons: slightly higher price, but you're paying for premium power and design. Customer reviews. With over 4.6 stars, users say it's surprisingly powerful and perfect for pet hair and quick cleanups. If you want professional-level performance in a sleek portable design, G-Tech is your pick. Product 2, BSRCO Handheld Vacuum. Cordless rechargeable 8000 PA next. The BSRCO 3-in-1 cordless vacuum gives you 8000 PA suction power in a compact, travel-friendly design. Pros: USB rechargeable, lightweight, and perfect for car seats, couches, and desktops. Cons: the battery lasts approximately 20 minutes at full power. Customer reviews. Users love its portability and call it a mini beast for pet hair and everyday mess. Product 3, BSRCO Portable Mini Car Vacuum Cleaner. Finally, the BSRCO Mini Portable Vacuum. Small enough to fit in your glove box, but powerful enough for deep cleaning car corners and sofas. Pros: strong suction, quick recharge, and very quiet. Cons: small dustbin, so you'll empty it more often. Customer reviews. Owners say it's perfect for quick touch-ups and a must-have for parents and pet owners. So there you go. Three cordless vacuums that deliver big cleaning power in small packages. Links are in the description below. Grab yours today and make cleaning smarter, faster, and easier.